Quick laser tutorial creating a number topper in Adobe Illustrator. I want to use this design for my topper, so let's trace the image. So now we need to delete the outer contour. Okay, and then we remove fill and set red stroke for coating. We need RGB red. Now let's add the stick for the topper. So use the rectangle tool and draw a small rectangle. I will change the size. I need 18 millimeters height. Now I'm changing the size because I want the final topper to be 120 by 190 millimeters. So let's check all the contours we have and delete the extra outlines. Now select all parts of the topper and combine them into a single contour using the unit function. Next step, to add your number using the text tool. And let's choose a suitable font. Then remove fill, leave the strike for coating in a RGB red color. And important step, to convert text to outlines for laser coating. Change the size of the numbers, and then we must select all the objects and pathfinder and unit. Let's save our file and open it in the Lightburn. Now it's ready for laser coating.